I believe I'm in Belvedere, Illinois. It's supposed to be a car show today. Starts at 4, but I'm early. It's beautiful country out here. I thought I'd take a video of just the countryside right now, pretty much. It's beautiful. Smells good because they're barbecuing over here. Too bad I don't have a smell-o-vision. That's the place there. It's called the Smoking Coop. I believe it's, like I said, Belvedere, Illinois, but I thought I'd take it's beautiful out here. Beautiful country. I live in a city, so when I'm out here, something like country, where it looks like country, or feels like country, I'm happy. Wouldn't you love to own land and just in something like this, in the green pastures, with green pastures, and drop even a manufactured home off, a mobile home, and just live there? Shoot, be nice. My wife's ahead of me there. It starts at 4. There's a very few cars right now. I just want to show you where I'm at, how beautiful it is out here. It's really beautiful. It's good to get out of the city once in a while.
Right here.
Yeah. There's old Chevy. It's early. Hopefully they'll be showing up. This one's pretty known because they do it year after year. Look at this. Beautiful. This is going to be a short video. But when more arrive, I'll take more. Pretty nice car, Chevy Bel Air. Very nice. Very nice car. Yeah. They serve barbecue over here. But I just like their land here. Like El Camino. Yeah, this is going to be a short. So.